welcome back to my channel. I am Varsha, back with another video, and this time it's a Nykaa haul. So Nykaa had this amazing sale going on their website. So I just thought of picking up some products that I wanted to stock up on. So if you guys are interested to know what all I have got, please keep on watching. So basically these all products that I have ordered are something that each beginner must have in her makeup kit. All the products are affordable and must have for college going girls and beginners. So without any further ado, let's just get started. So everything that I got is there in this container. So I'll just pick one by one what all I have got. So the first product that I got is this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is in the shade 128 Warm Nude. This is the perfect match for my skin. I just love this product. This has to be my go-to foundation. The retails for ₹500 for the 30 ml of product. But I got it on sale for ₹350, which I think was a steal, and I'm really happy about it. So yeah, I just like this foundation. It's the perfect match. It's affordable. It glides it matches your skin. It glides into your skin very easily, and I just love it. Then the second thing that I got is this Garnier Micellar Oil Infused Cleansing Water. This retails for ₹225, and I think I got it for ₹180 or something. I'm not sure. But yeah, I think I got it for ₹180, and I think it's a good deal. So I got this one also, and it is a 125 ml bottle for ₹225, but I got it on less price. And then the next product that I have is this Maybelline concealer. This is one more product that every girl should have, a concealer. What it does is it just hides all your pigmentation and the dark spots, the dark circles and the marks and everything on your face. This helps a lot. Though I'm not a fan of concealer, I thought of investing in a concealer which is affordable. But on sale I got it on $380 or something. If you guys are looking out for a concealer, please go and check out Nykaa's website. They have amazing sale going on. Please get whatever that you want, whatever that you have saved in a wish list, because it's a sale time. Then the next product that I have is this Maybelline Colossal Mascara. Retails for ₹399 for 10.7 ml of product. This is not the waterproof mascara, but it does its job, and I don't think so you need a waterproof mascara on a regular basis. So that's why I got this one. But I got this for ₹300. Then I got one more mascara from Maybelline, and this is the Lash Sensational Mascara. This is the waterproof variant. This retails for ₹550 originally, but on sale I think I got it for ₹400, which is /150, and I just love this mascara. I think every girl who have tried this loves it. Next that I got is Lakme Insta Liner Water Resistant Eyeliner. I am not a fan of liquid eyeliner anymore, but I just thought of giving a shot to this one. This I think retails for ₹110 or something, 120 or 130 or something. I got it for ₹100 on sale. And then that I have is it's a lipstick. It's from LE18 Colourpop's matte variant, and this is what I'm wearing right now on my lips. I like the lip shade. This is in the shade R31 Rose Day. I really like the color of the lipstick. It is matte. So this is the lipstick. It is matte. Not that matte. It is like a creamy matte texture, and I like the color. I think the color suits me, so I just got it. And this is the most affordable matte lipstick and a trustworthy brand. So this cost for ₹100, and on sale I got it for ₹90. Then the last thing that I got is Bella Cotton pads. These are really nice and soft. You just need one if you don't have a waterproof makeup. But if you have a waterproof makeup, you need one or two, because just make it sure it's all gone. And this is in the aloe variant, by the way. It has aloe extract in it, and yeah, that's it. So that's it for this video, guys. This is what all I have got. If you guys think that you should have something from this haul, go check out Nykaa's website. I'll also give the links for the products in the description box below. So that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please don't for Please don't forget to comment down below which is your favorite product from this haul and what you are going to grab from the Nykaa sale. So that's it for this video. Bye bye.